Yo, welcome to the BST Ford channel. Witness, what's going on? What's happening, man? We got to be taking out these springs today. I took them out already on one side already, and I have taken out the other side also. But to do this, it's fairly easy. First, you got to take the bolts off that pan that sits there with the bump stop for the shock. Once you do that, then you start taking the bolts off the top and bottom. Basically, you start with the bottom. The back one, you're going to need a swivel in the back to take that one out. And then the front, you just take that out with an open hand wrench, either a 1/2 inch or a 13 open end. Then the top, my situation is I had to grind the top because the bolts did not want to come out. You get a 14 and take those out. And after that, you pull it out. And then when you pull it out, you slide the other thing in. The secret is to take out one of the arms, take the bolt out and slide it down.
Hopefully you guys can see it. Probably can't. Alright, see, I had swung this thing over there, and now I'm going to line it up to the hole here, and then you put the screw right inside there. I don't have good camera work, man. That's one of the problems that I'm having here, to really give you the, but you guys are pretty smart. You get the gist of it. Now, you see it's in. You make sure all the screws are tight, and then you get busy and get a socket up there and then slip this joint out. And start compressing the spring, the coil, whatever you want to call it. And mind you, this is how I do it. You guys probably got like a better way. Please let me know. And then, forgot to take the socket out. And you gently place it down and walk away from it quickly. And really, that's how you do it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to release some of this tension, man, because this thing's making me nervous. Now, if it came out like this, it's not because it's too short. You probably positioned it wrong. On the other side, it didn't, it came out pretty smooth. So it's all about how you position it. Maybe if you compress the spring a little bit before you do it, it'll probably be a good thing. But you're still good. Then to take this thing out, you gotta take the screw back out. Because it's just, you don't have to, I don't think so, but to make it quicker, you just yank that mug back out, and you just slide the whole thing out. It's all naked now, but.
So with this eBay item here for 14 or 15 bucks, depending on who you buy it from, you can get the job done. Coil spring compressor, 310 millimeter. It'll work, man. It worked for me. You just have to cut a little bit off, either 2.5 or 3.5, one of the two. Depending on where you position the, this item on the coil spring, it differs in size. So, man, thank you guys for watching this episode of the BST Ford channel, man. I hope you guys were enlightened. I'm steady trying to get to this Maverick. The front end is a situation, but I'm juggling so many things at one time. Actually, you seen in the other video, I cut up the mini bike over here, trying to get it to look like this one over here. And also, the next video coming up will be about me, PVC, and a Crown Victoria. Yep, that one over there. Amazing. So, check you guys out. See you guys on the flip side. And watch out for this video, PVC and a Crown Victoria. Boy, man, I'm going low budget. See you guys.